To integrate WorldPay SOAP API, start by understanding the basics of SOAP and WorldPay. SOAP stands for Simple Object Access Protocol, a protocol used for exchanging structured information in the implementation of web services. WorldPay is a payment processing company that provides online payment solutions. The first step is to register for a WorldPay account and obtain a merchant ID and installation ID. These IDs are required to authenticate your API requests. Next, download the WorldPay SOAP API documentation and WSDL file, which contains the definition of the API and its operations. To begin the integration process, choose a programming language and create a new project. Import the required libraries and add the WorldPay WSDL file to your project. Create a new instance of the WorldPay SOAP client and set the authentication credentials using your merchant ID and installation ID. The next step is to create a payment request. This involves creating a new payment object and setting the payment details, such as the amount, currency, and payment method. You can then use the WorldPay SOAP client to send the payment request to the WorldPay server. The WorldPay server will respond with a payment response object, which contains the result of the payment request. You can then use this response to update your database and notify the customer of the payment result. Best practices for integrating WorldPay SOAP API include handling errors and exceptions, using secure communication protocols, and testing your integration thoroughly. It is also important to comply with payment card industry data security standards to ensure the security of sensitive payment information. In terms of key concepts, it is essential to understand the different payment methods and currencies supported by WorldPay, as well as the various payment statuses and error codes. You should also be familiar with the WorldPay API documentation and WSDL file, which provide detailed information on the API operations and data types. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully integrate WorldPay SOAP API into your application and provide a secure and reliable payment processing solution for your customers.